Hello, how are you? My name is Kamal Preet and welcome to my online classes YouTube channel. And today is my next video on this my Python series, which I have already started. Till now, we have done with the basic features of Python, conditional statement and control statement. And today I'm going to start with the list, that is another data type of Python. So watch my video till the end and do give your feedback by the end of this video in the comment box. Okay, so let's start this new chapter, that is list. What is list? List is basically a part of your container elements, or you can say is a group of elements in which you can store the values of different data type also, or of the same data type. Fine. The very first feature you can say about list is that it is always store the data in a ordered manner. Ordered manner का मतलब क्या होता है कि इसको हमें index values देनी पड़ती है. There are some index value in this. Starting from 0, what is index numbers? It started from 0. Just like the index page you have in your books. That in that it is already mentioned before starting of your chapter, page numbers are provided, that this chapter 1 is started from this page number, chapter number 2 is started from this page number, so that we cannot need to waste the time while searching the chapters. So we just watch the index, in that the page numbers are already mentioned, right? So same scenario is with this list also. It also has some index values which is started from 0 to till the continuation of numbers, as many as elements you have in that particular block, in that particular your area. Fine. Second thing is it is changeable or mutable. Changeable or mutable means you can change the value whatever we have saved in this group of elements. So that is known as changeable, or you can say mutable. In Python, we used to say mutable data type or immutable data type. So mutable means changeable, in which you can change the elements. Fine. Chaliye. Next, come to the next slide. What are the example or how to write this list? As I already mentioned in this slide, that we have to mention the square brackets. Okay. So for example, I have mentioned here the name of my variable is k. K is equals to, in the square bracket, you can mention the strings, group of strings with the help of comma. Right now I have saved here 3 elements. So H is my first, Amit is my second, and Kamal is my third element. So which index numbers are these? H will be started with 0, Amit will be with 1, and Kamal will be 2. Okay, same, you can save the numeric values also, like 2, 4, 5, 23. So the index element of 2 is 0, 4 is started with 1, 5, 2, and 23 will be 3. Okay. Although the length, number of elements are 4, but I have started with the 0, it goes till 3. Same float values you can also save, or you can save the mixed data type also in the list, like 1, 5.2, 96, phase. I've saved that this string value also. I've saved with this float values also in this. Okay. And I have mentioned the index values also. There are 2 kinds of index value: forwarding index, in which you are going from left to right, that is forward, and in backward. If you need to print the list in reverse order, so you have to mention the list here, that will be started by -1. But in forward indexing, it will started by 0, and from backward it will started by -1, -2, -3 till the number of element it goes. Okay, 0 to 5 ऊपर हो गया, and -1 to -6 will be in the backward direction. Like this, you can mention the number of elements, your index values. It automatically will take. No need to mention. You need to mention only the elements. This automatically will be saved by the index numbers. Okay. These are the example of list. We'll do with this how to start with this list. Now, how to access the elements. For example, I have written here a is equals to 4, 2, 6, 12. ठीक है. अब मुझे इसमें say as अगर पूरी list मुझे print करनी है, then I need to write print a. ठीक है. If I need to pick particular element from the list, so I'll have to mention the index number. For example, I have mentioned here, I print a in square bracket, you have written 1. So 1 means which value? Second value. Because the first value index is 0 and the second value will be from 1. So the output will be 2. Same as if I need to pick the value first element I need to pick. So I have to mention there 0. The index value I have to mention. That is 4. If I'll write -1, so it will take the value 12. If I'll write -4, then -1, -2, -3, -4, the last element, like this. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Let me share this Python screen. So I'm writing it here. A is equals to, in the square bracket, let's say 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, if I need to print the whole list, so I'll write it here, print A. Okay. Let me execute this. See, 4, 5, 6, 7. As it is, it will print. The square bracket is a symbol, you can say. You can easily recognize that this is the list. If it is mentioned in the square bracket, so it is a list. This is a, you can say, a symbol of list. Fine. Chaliye. Agar mujhe isme say, if I need to take second element is which one? 5 is my second element. And what is the index value of 5? That is 1. I need to write it here 1. Okay. Chaliye, execute karte hain. See, 5 is there. If I need to mention here my last element, that is 7. So, kaun sa element is 4, but the index value is what? 3. 7. If I'll mention here 4, what will happen? See, it will show you the error because now the index come out from that particular container. 4 I have mentioned here. So 4 element is not there in that particular container, in that particular group. So it will show you the error. If that particular index number is not present in your given group, it will show you the error. So you have to keep it in mind, number of index value, which index number you need to pick, right? So like this, you can easily do this question. If I'll mention here, -2 means from backward direction I need to print. Okay. So what will happen? 6, say, -1, -2. Okay. If you need to print the complete series in reverse order, so for that we need to do one function. I'll do it later. First, complete this part. For example, if I need to take -1, that means the first element from the back, that is 7. Like this, you can easily get the values, particular element from the list. And if you need to print the whole list, so you have to write the name of that particular list like this, and you'll get the complete list. Fine? Did you get it now? Let's come to the next slide. Okay, we can use operators in the list. That is 2 operators. That first one is multiply, as I have mentioned here in the screen. You are able to see, I hope. Multiply, and this symbol is known as plus operator. But the functionality is different in this list. See, first I'll start with this multiply. It will print the value as much you are mentioning here. For example, say L is equals to 2, 3, 4, and there is another variable I have taken, that is L1, in which what I'm doing, I'm multiplying, but it is not actually a multiplying. What it is, what is the function of this multiply? Let me show you on the screen. Okay, first you can check. Okay, let me show you. चलिए इसी में हम करते हैं. मैंने एक वेरिएबल ले लिया, b is equals to a multiply symbol 2, and then I will print here the variable b. ठीक है. What will happen? See, how many times this 4, 5, 6, 7 is coming? 2 times. ठीक है. तो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? As many as number you will mention here, so as many as time that particular list will repeat the values which is mentioned in your list. 4, 5, 6, 7. तो 4, 5, 6, 7 कितनी बार आएगा? 2 times. आप जितनी बार यहाँ पे लिखोगे उतनी बार वो आपको प्रिंट करेगा, रिपीटिशन होगा उसका. तो 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है. Same if I'll take another list, you can say 2, or let me show you first the screen so that you can get the complete picture of this first. See, I have taken first list a is equals to 2, 3, 4. Another list I have taken 3, 4, 5. And then I'll write print a plus q. Arithmetic operator में plus का use क्या होता है? It will add the values. But here the scenario is different. ठीक है. How it will take? Let me show you. चलिए मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन करती हूँ 2, 3, 1. Yes, अच्छा, 3. Again, I'll take elements can be repeat in this list. Okay, I need to write it here. A plus B. ठीक है. Let's see. See, अब इसमें क्या किया है इसने? 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है. और उसके बाद क्या कर दिया? 2, 3, 1, 3. उसने उसको ऐड कर दिया उसके साथ. ऐड मतलब एक लिस्ट के बाद दूसरी लिस्ट उसमें ऐड हो गई. ठीक है. Like this you can use the operator plus symbol. Okay. Yes, it is done. चलिए next come to the next slide. Functions. There are many functions we can use in list. Okay. For example, let's start with append function. I mentioned here append, del, and insert. We'll do one by one all these functions. Okay. Append means to insert the new value. If you have already defined few values in the list, if you need to add one more value in that, so it will add that particular value at the end of your list. For example, I have written here a is equals to 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. तो मेरी end of the list क्या है? Last element क्या है मेरा? 4. So 23 will be added at the end of this 4. So it will come 2, 3, 4, 23. Like this, you can add the particular element in the list. But append means at the end. Existing list के last में वो add करता जाएगा element. ठीक है. Same अगर मुझे अच्छा एक पहले insert कर लेते हैं. Insert means it is used to insert the value at specified position. Append क्या करता है? Last में add करता है. And insert will add at particular position. So for that position यहाँ पे mention the index value. ठीक है. उसके लिए आपको index value mention करनी पड़ेगी. For example, I have written here 6, 8, 9. ठीक है. Then I need to add the particular element third place. Means 9 के बाद 0, 1, 2. ठीक है. तो देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे क्या दिया? सॉरी 1 फर्स्ट. मैंने पहला नंबर जो है इंसर्ट में 1 मीन्स सेकेंड पोजीशन. 8 से पहले अभी 1 पे क्या है? 8 है. बट आई नीड टू पुट द वैल्यू 3 ऑन फर्स्ट पोजीशन. सो फर्स्ट यू विल पुट हियर where I have written 1, the index value, and comma, the value which you want to insert. Let me show you. This is my Python screen. Okay, let me do this. A dot, first we'll do append. Append, कोई भी number ले लेते हैं, suppose 89. This A. तो तो अभी मेरे पास वैल्यू क्या है 4 5 6 7 एंड append will be added at the end of this particular last element, that is your 7. See, 4 5 6 7 and 89, like this it will add. Now in place of append, if I'll write it here, insert, ठीक है, और मुझे फर्स्ट प्लेस पे इंडेक्स नंबर 1 पे मुझे 89 इंसर्ट करना है. तो व्हाट विल हैपन इन दिस? सी, पहले क्या था, फर्स्ट प्लेस पे आपका 5 आ रहा था, ठीक है, अब क्या आ रहा है 89. एक और इसमें हम प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट लिख देते हैं सो दैट यू कैन इजीली गेट द थिंग्स क्लियर. पहले क्या था 4 5 6 7, ठीक है, तो 4 की इंडेक्स वैल्यू क्या है 0, 5 is at 1, 6 is at 2 and 7 is at 3. So now I have written here a dot insert 1 means 1 is your index value. तो 1 पे क्या है 5 है, अब मुझे क्या चाहिए वहां पे 89, तो I'll put it here 89. 4, 89, 5, 6, 7, 9 like this. ठीक है, like this you can, this is the difference. Generally come for 1 or 2 marks. What is the difference between append and insert? Generally in the CBSE board exams in class 12, they used to ask this 1 mark question like this. What is the difference between this function and this function? Like, because both the values are inserted the value. Like append में भी value insert हो रही है and in with the help of this insert function also inserting the value. But the criteria is different. Append is inserting the value at the end, and insert, you can insert the value at any specified position given in the index. ठीक है, चलिए. So you have to keep this thing in your mind. What is the difference between append and your this insert? Next function है मेरा del. Del क्या करता है, एक कोई भी particular element if you need to delete from your list, if you need to delete any particular element, you can use this del command. We have one more function, same scenario, remove. ठीक है, so but again the working is different. It is used to delete the particular element or the complete list if you need. ठीक है, I have mentioned here b is equals to hello p by 3 elements, string values मैंने लिए. अब मेरे को इसको लिखना कैसे होगा? I need to write del b, name of your list and the index number. You have to specify which index value you need to delete. ठीक है, चलो let's do this. और इससे पहले हम एक बार वो remove भी देख लें. It remove the given value of the list. ये क्या करता है, वही भी function करता है but इसका function different होगा. ठीक है, चलिए करते हैं इसको. इसे भी करके देखते हैं. del a, मैंने इंडेक्स डाला सपोज 1 and then print a. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ और वैल्यूज डाल देते हैं. says 34, 12, 67 like this. Now let me execute this. First, the complete list will be printed because I've already mentioned here print A. Now I have written here del A1. So A1 पे क्या है? 5 है. So it will remove the particular value which you have already mentioned there as in your index. हमने अगर index number जो भी दिया होगा उस particular element को वो delete कर देगा list से. ठीक है. And if I'll write it here del A, मैंने पूरी list delete करनी है. ठीक है. What will happen? Let me show you that also. See, पहले तो उसने list print कर दिया क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था print A. But later on, name A is not defined because I have already deleted A. So how it will take the value from that? ठीक है. Like this, you can remove this. Okay. Let me use now. चलो print A लिखा रहने देते हैं. Now I need to write it a dot remove. ठीक है. If I'll write it here, the value, what will happen? And if I'll mention here the index number, what will happen? ठीक है. Print A. मैंने अब यहाँ पे क्या डाला है? 5 को मुझे remove करना. चलिए इसको रन करते हैं. सी, उसमें मुझे क्या डालना पड़ रहा था? आई नीड टू मेंशन देयर द इंडेक्स एंड इन रिमूव यू हैव टू मेंशन हियर द वैल्यू, पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू. ठीक है, अगेन द सेम थिंग. 4 5 6 7 उसने पहले लिस्ट प्रिंट करी और यहाँ पे उसने 5 को रिमूव कर दिया. एनी वैल्यू कैन रिमूव हियर, से एज 34. उसने 34 रिमूव कर दिया लिस्ट में से. 5 आ गया बिकॉज ये करंट लिस्ट में रिमूव नहीं कर रहा है, ये एक नई लिस्ट जनरेट कर रहा है वहां पे आपके लिए और उसमें से वो वैल्यूज को रिमूव कर रहा है. करंट लिस्ट में कोई नहीं होगा, करंट लिस्ट एज इट इज रहेगी आपकी, जो भी आपकी एट प्रेजेंट सेव है दैट विल बी रिमेन सेव. इट विल जनरेट द अनदर लिस्ट एंड गिव यू द पर्टिकुलर रिमूवल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द लिस्ट. ठीक है, ओके. चलिए सेम थिंग, let me show you another function here that is clear. Fine, चलिए clear है, एक length है. clear पहले पढ़ लेते हैं, then I'll do one by one all this. clear will remove all the elements from the list as the del command use. but इसमें क्या होता है? In del the complete structure will also be deleted from the memory in del. and if I'll use del a, तो अभी हमने error देखा था because we have already deleted that particular list. So how can it retrieve the elements or it can show you? But clear में क्या होता है? सिर्फ element delete करता है, आपकी list उसका structure exist करता रहता है. And if you'll print, so it will show you the empty list. How to get the empty list? A blank bracket it will show you. ठीक है, I'll show you how it will work. Length function क्या होता है? उसमें particular आपका count बताएगा कितने number of elements हैं आपके पास. ठीक है, लेंथ फंक्शन विल डू दैट. एक्सटेंड में क्या करता है? ऐड द आइटम्स ऑफ द लिस्ट एट द करंट लिस्ट. उस पर्टिकुलर करंट लिस्ट में हमारा वो आइटम ऐड कर देगा. जो हमने पहले किया था प्लस ऑपरेटर, उसमें क्या कर रहा था? वो एक नई लिस्ट जनरेट कर रहा था. आई विल मेक द डिफरेंस इन दैट एंड देन लेट यू नो. दोनों में आप कंफ्यूज मत होना. ठीक है, और लास्ट हमारा है रिवर्स. इट रिवर्स द ऑर्डर ऑफ द लिस्ट. ठीक है, चलो we will do one by one all this and I'll show you the difference between the functions also. चलो let's do first clear and then length. Okay, print a हो गया. Now let me write it here, a dot clear bracket और फिर मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे print a. ठीक है, see, पहले उसने पूरी लिस्ट प्रिंट करी 4 5 6 7 34 12 67 एंड देन ब्लैंक ब्रैकेट. तो उसने क्या किया? उन एलिमेंट्स को डिलीट कर दिया उस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर से. स्ट्रक्चर क्या है उसका? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. सो इट विल रिमूव ऑल द एलिमेंट्स व्हाटएवर वी हैव मेंशन्ड देयर एंड देन इट विल शो यू द एम्प्टी लिस्ट. फाइन. एंड डिलीट इज डूइंग व्हाट? अब मैं दोबारा से एक बार आपको फिर से वो बता देती हूँ. डेल ए. ठीक है, मैंने अब इसको ए को डिलीट कर दिया. वो क्या कर रहा है? लिस्ट को प्रिंट कर रहा है एंड नेम इज नॉट डिफाइंड क्योंकि उसको लिस्ट मिली नहीं, हमने उसका स्ट्रक्चर भी डिलीट कर दिया. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेल एंड क्लियर. फाइन. नेक्स्ट लेंथ हो गया हमारा. अब आता है हमारा एक्सटेंड. चलिए एक्सटेंड के लिए we need to generate one more list. For example, I have written here 2, या कुछ भी लिख लेते हैं 67 2, 3 or let me write it here with string values and let me show you whether it will work or not. By चलो 2 values ही करते हैं. ठीक है, and I need to write it here, a dot extend b. ठीक है, अब मैं लिखती हूँ print a. Okay, let me execute this. See, पहली हमारी लिस्ट में क्या वैल्यूज हैं? 4 5 6 7 34 12 67 और दूसरी लिस्ट में मेरे पास क्या है? Q W and by like this. You can अगर हम प्लस का सिंबल यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे, लेट मी यूज दैट. अच्छा, अभी ये क्या कर रहा है? करंट लिस्ट हमारी क्या है? ए. ठीक है, तो करंट लिस्ट में उसने ऐड कर दिए एलिमेंट, जो भी मैंने बी के एलिमेंट्स हैं. अब बी में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब although B is also there in the memory, but अभी हम A print करें तो A में उसने और elements add कर दिए. That is your Q, W and Y. But if I'll use it, I'll use here. Let me hide this. अच्छा hide मैंने आपको already बताया था comment line. Comment क्या होता है? I need not to read this particular line. Means इसका जो उसका वो है इंटरप्रेटर, वो उसको रीड ना करे, उस पर्टिकुलर लाइन को रीड ना करे, एग्जीक्यूट मत करे. ये कोई भी पर्टिकुलर लाइन अगर आपको एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करानी है, so that particular line you have to start with hash symbol and that is known as comment line. ठीक है, तो I need not to execute this particular line, so I'll write it here. So I'll write A plus B. मुझे यहाँ पे दोनों वैल्यूज को लिखना पड़ेगा, तभी वो ऐड करके एक न्यू लिस्ट जनरेट करेगा, मतलब एक थर्ड लिस्ट जनरेट हो जाएगी यहाँ पे. ठीक है, ए भी है मेमोरी में, बी भी है. देखो एक नई लिस्ट बन गई है, बट एक्सटेंड क्या कर रहा था, इट डूइंग द एडिंग द वैल्यू इन द एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरे को अब क्या लिखना है, ए. रिजल्ट सेम आ रहा है हमारा, बट इंटरनली वो कैसे सेव हो रहा है वो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. एक्सटेंड एग्जिस्टिंग करंट लिस्ट में सेव कर रहा है, और प्लस ऑपरेटर एक नई लिस्ट जनरेट कर रहा है आपकी मेमोरी में, जिसमें ए और बी की वैल्यू को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, अच्छा एक्सटेंड इज डन, लेंथ इज डन, व्हाट एल्स इज लेफ्ट नाउ? रिवर्स. few more are left, although मैंने कोशिश करी है कि आपको ऑलमोस्ट सारे फंक्शन बताऊं मैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, let me do this now. I was sharing this screen. Yes, reverse function. ठीक है, तो for that I need to mention here a dot reverse and then print it. It will reverse the complete list, means 67. It will reverse order 67, 12, 34, 7, 6, 5, 4. ठीक है, the complete. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, अगर हमें सीरीज प्रिंट करनी है, नॉर्मली करना है, तो I need to write it here, print A simple. Or if you want to print the list in reverse order, the complete list, so you have to mention your reverse function. हाँ, अगर एक कोई particular आपको reverse order में element print करना है, then you have to mention here the index value, like -1, -2, -3, like this. Fine. So reverse function works like this. There is one more function that is known as your sort. I forget to write it in my slide. ठीक है, ये क्या करेगा, a dot sort लिखा, अब मैंने क्या किया, print. It will do the sorting, although I have already written the values in sorting order. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा ऑर्डर इसका चेंज कर देती हूँ, 1, और यहाँ पे कर देते हैं 400. ठीक है, अब करते हैं इसको प्रिंट. सी, इट विल बाय डिफॉल्ट ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में प्रिंट करता है. मीन्स सबसे पहली छोटी वैल्यूज में क्या है, आउट ऑफ दीज वैल्यूज विच वन इज द स्मॉलर, 5, then 7, then 16, sorry, then 12, then 16, and then 67, 314, and then 400, like this it will print. ठीक है, अगर इसमें आपको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में प्रिंट करना है, ठीक है, सॉर्टिंग करनी है, बट इट इज शुड बी इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, तो यू हैव टू राइट इट हियर, रिवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू ट्रू. ठीक है, ट्रू का टी कैपिटल आएगा. यस, ठीक है, ओके. नाउ लेट्स सी. देखो 4, 3, 1, 4, 67, 16, 12, 7 and 5. So there is a one function sort which I forget to mention there. Like this you can. If you will not write it here, reverse is equals to true, तो by default ascending order में print करेगा. Oh, so sorry. I need to remove this. Like this, and now you can execute it. Fine. So like this, you can use these functions. There are many functions, but the major function I took from your chapter, that is your list. Okay, so I hope you got all these points very easily. What are list? It's a group of elements. You have to store in a square bracket. Square bracket में हम इसे mention करते हैं with the help of comma. As many elements you can store here. It is a mutable data type. Mutable data type का मतलब होता है जो कि change हो जाती है values. जिसमें हम values को change कर सकते हैं. I can change the value. जरूरी नहीं है जो मैंने values already mention करी हैं. I can show you that also. I forget to show you. Let me come back to this Python screen. For example, I have written with these values. तो मुझे अब यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? मुझे अगर 16 की जगह 600 करना है. 16 is on which position? As per the index, that is your 2. I need to mention here 2. Okay, is equals to 600. Now I'll print A. देखो क्या print करेगा ये? 405 600. मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ था? 16. So I have changed the value. That means you can change the values also. So that's why it is known as mutable data type. ठीक है, list is your mutable, जो कि change हो जाती है उसकी values. Next is how we can mention this. We can mention any data type or we can mix the data type also. We can mention the values. ठीक है, ये आपका forward index है from 0 to till the number of elements you have. And reverse order में कहाँ से इसकी numbering start होती है? -1 से. ठीक है. Access कैसे करना है? आप particular एक कोई particular element if you need to pick, so you can write it here A1 with the index values. Either in negative numbers means -1, -4 in reverse order if you need to pick any element or in forward direction. It's up to you. Okay, these are the operators. Multiply means as many as times you need to print all those elements. Like मैंने यहाँ पे 3 लिखा है तो 2, 3, 4 कितनी बार आएगा? 3 times it will come. And the plus symbol means it will add the values, not add. It will all create one single list with all these elements 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Append means it can add the value at the end of the list. Delete means it will delete particular element. Delete में हमें index number print करना होता है, index value लिखनी पड़ती है. And in remove we have to mention your value, particular value. एक और होता है pop. Pop is also working with same as delete, but pop में हमारे पास value return होके नहीं आती जो भी delete होती है. ठीक है. Next is insert. Insert means if you need to insert any element in particular any specified index. Suppose मुझे second index पे कोई एक particular element if I need to insert, so I need to mention here as I have written here 689 insert 1. First index पे मुझे क्या enter करना है? 3. So I'll write it here comma 3. ठीक है. Remove, it will remove the given value of the list. Clear, it will remove all the elements, but it will show you the empty list. List structure will be there. Then length, it will give you the number of elements present in that particular list. Extend means you are extending your list, the current list. ठीक है. Plus में क्या हो रहा था? वो एक नई list generate कर रहा था. But in extend, जो भी आपकी existing list है, जिसमें आप add करना चाहते हो किसी दूसरे list को, so that is the difference between plus operator and this extend. ठीक है. And the reverse means in reverse order. Sort means sorting. उसको arrange करता, either in ascending order, either in descending order. Fine. So this is my end of my video. Hope you like it. So do share my videos of this Python series with your friends, those who are really in need. Okay. And if you have any query or particular problem, if you have in this particular video or any other video, do mention in the comment box. And please share your valuable feedback and your comments in the comment box. And I do provide some online classes also for other subjects, as I always say. If you have any problem regarding any topic, do mention it in the given mail ID, that is kamal18delhi@gmail.com. Fine. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.